Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be revealing how much money I've spent on my tools in here in which I use for electrical work. So we've got hand tools, power tools, the lot, and there's more in these other boxes and drawers here. So I'm going to be getting all these out in a minute, and stay tuned to the end of the video to hear the final sum of money in which I've spent on all these tools and a breakdown of it. As you can see here, in preparation to recording this video, I've just wrote down in rough how much everything cost, and I've just been looking on Amazon, looking at my bank statements. Literally looked at how much I've paid for absolutely everything in my toolkit. Right then, here we have my hand tools, which I've just taken out of my hand tool box, which I keep in the double Tstack tote. On top of my Tstack there, just taking them all out. I'm gonna put some pop-ups on the screen telling you the price in dollars and pounds of some of the tools. I'm not going to list all of them because we'll be here all day, but some of the main ones I'd like to mention, which I've mentioned in other videos, are my screwdriver set, which is the Weira slimline screwdrivers. Very good. I think they're about £35 on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description to those. Next we have my side cutters, long nose pliers and normal pliers. They're all Nipex. The side cutters are £35. The pliers are £24 and the long nose pliers are £30. Why the prices may vary of these tools, as on Amazon they change the prices all the time. They have offers, sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower. And also I'm based in the UK, so I'm just going to be converting the price that I've paid into dollars just directly without looking at how much they are in America, just to make that clear. Next thing I'd like to mention, which I did spend a lot of money on here, was my flute tester. Here it is in the middle. I spent £150 on this on Amazon, but I do believe there is a current offer from £150 to about £125, something like that. But maybe the offer might be off when you're watching this video. I paid £150, and there'll be a link in the description to that. Something else you want to pick yourself up is these grips here, the Nipex grips from Amazon. Again, you can get these for about £23. That's what I paid for them, and it's a great buy because they're probably the best grips around. Also my Volt stick here, the Martindale Volt stick, you can get this for about £30 off Amazon. Again, another great buy, link in the description. And this Volt stick, it's never let me down. We've also got the Stanley Spirit Level here, another great buy on Amazon. This is £14, cost me, and it's magnetic as well, and just pure quality. It hasn't smashed or anything like some of the other ones can. Anyway, that will do for just picking out a few tools here. And the grand total I've spent on these hand tools is £677.80, which the conversion to dollars is $903.37. So that's for the hand tools. Moving on next to the power tools. Now then, here are the power tools. So then, I bought my power tools all as bare units, which basically means I bought them all without the batteries at the bottom here, which batteries of power tools are quite expensive. So I bought them all without the batteries in. So I spent on these tools individually £240 firstly on the DeWalt SDS, £240. I spent £80 on the impact driver, bare, without the battery. All this is bare without the battery. Combi drill, £80, bare, without excluding the battery. Then I had the DeWalt torch, which didn't come with a battery, and I haven't got a battery for it. Which that will cost £30 on its own. Then I have my DeWalt grinder, which costed £130, again excluding the battery. And now then we have two chargers which I bought as well, which costed me £16.95 at the time. Right then, next we have the batteries for these tools. So the batteries, as I say, were expensive. So we've got 5Ah battery and 4Ah battery. 5Ah battery more expensive. This one, £60 for the 5Ah power. And then 4Ah, this one cost me £50. Next 4Ah battery, £50. And then the grinder's battery, which is also a 4Ah battery, £50. So I think that totals up to about £210 just for the batteries, which shows how expensive it is. Which brings us to a grand total for the power tools here as £803.90, or $1,070.08 at this time in recording. So then the running total will be on the screen now. I'm going to keep the running total on. with the hand tools and the power tools, and then next we're going to be getting on to my accessories for the drills. I would like to quickly mention, if you're enjoying the video or enjoying my content on the whole, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. It also benefits yourself because you'll be the first to see my future content, future videos pop up back on the screen, and I will be uploading videos once every week or 2 weeks maximum, I'm hoping. Right then, moving on to the bits. So then these bits are ones which you use for the drills, and they last a long time. So I'm going to add these onto the total. So the Makita SDS drill bits, they cost me £42 for that set there. Then we've got the Bosch impact drill bits, and they've got the multifunctional drill bits and the impact screwdriver bits. Those cost £25 for the set. We have the long bit holder here, which was about £5 from Saxton, I believe. I think that's the name. Anyway, then we have a set of security bits here, which cost me £10. Then we have the Makita magnetic drill bit holder, which I'm a big fan of this one. It magnetically connects to the screws, but this cost me £12 off Amazon. I believe it's gone up in price now. And then lastly, we have the spade bits, which costed £15 at the time. Then this brings me to a grand total for these sets of bits for £104 or $139. Now then, here we have my Tstack range here from DeWalt, and this I've all bought from Amazon as well. I do believe the price has changed of the Tstack on Amazon now. For example, I've spent £120. The most expensive part of this Tstack is the trolley, which I would thoroughly recommend to do other videos about it. I've done a DeWalt Tstack review on my channel. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link in the description. But yeah, I paid £120 for this one, but I believe it is now about £103 off Amazon, which I call a good buy really. It's expensive, but it will get your tools around very easily. Then next one here, we've got the a big Tstack box here, which just opens up, and it's got, it comes with a foam cutout inside, which I've modified myself to put my grinder in there. I've just emptied all these out. That one's £30. Then we have the two drawers here, which I've bought. Here they are. Oh, I didn't empty this one out. But these are great drawers again. They lock themselves, they don't open up by themselves. Everything. These ones are about £35 each, I believe, from Amazon. Just quickly have a look. Those drawers, £35 each. Yep, and then we've got the tote here, which I keep all my hand tools in. This one is £30 from Amazon, which I do believe it's a bit cheaper now, but I paid £30. Very dirty inside, need to give it a clean. I've put my own piece of wood in here, by the way, but this is £30. And then lastly, we have a box over here, in which I paid £35 for this one. This one has a little big hand, it has a big handle there, and it has a tray inside where you can put all your fixings and stuff. I've just filled mine full of screws and everything. But as I say, I've looked up into all this in another video, but there it is in there. Got loads of fixing trays in that one. Those fixing trays have come out of this drawer. Anyway, enough of the waffle. The total I've spent on the Tstack range here is £285, I believe, which converts into $380 I've wrote down there. So yeah, £285, $380 on this Tstack range. So then, here are all the tools in which I've spoke about in this video, all the tools in which I own in my toolkit. We're going to come on to the grand totals now. So hand tools, £677.80 or $903.37. Power tools, £803.90 or $1,070.08. Bits and accessories, £104 or $139. And Tstack, all the Tstack there, cost me £285 or $380, which brings us on to the grand total of £1,870.70 or $2,489.97. So then, do you think it's worth it having all these tools or not? Let me know. But that's how much I've spent. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe to see more videos like this. I'll be delivering content once or twice a week. Drop the video a like if you've enjoyed it, and see you later. Thank you.